In this drill, you want to use your teammates, a partner or someone, but you need to have a leader, and the parrot is the follower. So whatever the leader does, the parrot, which is the follower, you have to do. So they're gonna have to think on the fly. You're gonna have to transition fast, eyes up, and doing everything that the primary ball handler has in their hands. So I'm gonna take our athlete, and whatever I do, she has to do. So we're starting out in our right hand. Whatever I do, you do. Ready? Here we go. There we go. Like it. Yeah. This hand. Other hand. Put it. Yeah, there you go. There we go.